Welcome to 𝐕𝐢𝐝 Industry Company. Today, we are showcasing our high-efficiency double-layer roll-forming machine, a space-saving powerhouse designed to produce two popular roofing profiles on a single production footprint. We begin with the bottom layer, optimized for heavy-duty 7/8 corrugated sheets. The process starts with our 10-ton hydraulic uncoiler and motorized coil car, allowing for safe and rapid loading of large coils. As the material passes through the precision roll forming section, it takes on a flawless corrugated profile. To maximize your line speed, we've equipped this layer with a flying hydraulic post-cutting system, which shears the panels on the fly without stopping the machine. Finally, the automated stacker neatly organizes the finished sheets, significantly reducing manual labor. Switching to the top layer, this section is dedicated to the versatile R and PBR panel profile. Like the bottom layer, it features its own 10-ton uncoiler and coil car for maximum material capacity. The upper roll-forming mill is engineered for structural precision, delivering the deep ribs and clean lines required for commercial steel buildings. The integrated flying hydraulic cutter ensures each panel is cut to the exact programmed length with zero distortion. This double-layer configuration allows you to double your product offering without expanding your factory floor space. Once a batch is complete, the intelligent auto stacker automatically shifts the stacked sheets out. This allows for immediate packaging and shipment while the machine continues its next production run. Scale your roofing production with 𝐕𝐲𝐝 Industry Company. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.